Are you tired of your global team struggling with English-only Salesforce fields? Enable data translation in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact setup steps in Salesforce Setup. First, access the advanced settings, then find the company info and flip the switch. Start by clicking on the Quick Settings icon in the top right corner. Then, from the menu that appears, select Open Advanced Setup. In the Quick Find box that opens, type in Company. Now click on Company Information from the search results. Once you're on the Company Information page, go ahead and click Edit. Scroll down to the Translation Settings section. Check the box that says Enable Data Translation. Finally, click Save to apply the change. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.